Hi, welcome to This and That Homestead. Today we are going to be making apple pie moonshine.
Here are the things you will need.
190 proof of Everclear, a gallon of apple cider, and a gallon of apple juice, but this is only 3 quarts, so here's another quart of apple juice to make up the gallon. And we've got a cup of white sugar, and a cup of brown sugar, and cinnamon sticks and apples. And we've got our jars, and we've got the lids all ready to go.
1 gallon of apple cider.
And 1 gallon of apple juice.
One cup of brown sugar. Or 1 cup of white sugar. One green apple.
We're using 2 small red apples since we used 1 large green apple. Now 8 cinnamon sticks.
Okay, mix this all up, let all the sugars dissolve and all the flavors infuse within each other. You're going to bring this to a boil, and then you're going to let it simmer for 30 minutes.
That smells so good.
It's just about there. It's not boiling yet.
Okay, so now we brought it to a boil, and so we're going to let it cool down before we add the Everclear so it doesn't burn off the alcohol.
Alright, so now that it's cooled down enough, we're going to take out the cinnamon sticks and the apples. Smells really, really good. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and fill the jars, and we have the cheesecloth so it'll strain out all the small particles.
So we're adding in cinnamon sticks and apples to the final product before we put the lids on. We boiled the lids so they would be hot so we could get them to seal.
Alright, so we got them all jarred up and they are ready to go. We got cinnamon sticks and apples in there. Taste test time. That's strong.
Yeah,
That's really strong.
it'll warm you up on a cold night.
That's strong.
Good.
So, you like strong? That's strong. I'm gonna have to delete it. If you don't want it too strong, add a lot of extra cider. I think if we would have added 1 bottle of Everclear, maybe it would have been just perfect. But everybody else would probably like this. Super strong.
I barely drink, so it hits me hard.
Share your thoughts and comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on that notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.